Right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Maths Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. All right, so we're going to round up the sum and differences of angles with tangents, okay? And as usual, please make sure you review the fourth video in this series and know all the rules, all the formulas for both the sine, the cosine, the tangent for sum and differences of angles. And also try as much as possible to review the 5 rules as well on how to solve it, okay? So quickly, just to remind us, so you should recall what we talked about tan. We said when we have tan A plus or minus B, I gave you several formulas for that, but one of them was tan A plus or minus tan what? B divided by 1 minus plus tan A tan B. All right, so let's solve an example now. Let's say we're told to find the exact values, okay? Find the exact values. Find the exact values of tan pi over 6 plus pi over 4. All right, tan pi over 6 plus pi over 4. So this is going to be the A and this is the B, right? So we now have tan A, all right, plus B. So because this is going to be tan A plus B, will be equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So we can easily say now then tan pi over 6 plus pi over 4 will be equal to tan A, which is pi over 6, plus tan B, which is pi over 4, divided by 1 minus tan pi over 6 tan pi over what? 4. Okay? Then we're done with that. Then we just basically simplify. All right? So tan pi over 6 is the same thing as saying 1 over root 3 plus tan pi over 4 is 1 divided by 1 minus tan pi over 6 is 1 over root 3 and tan pi over 4 is 1. And then when you simplify, it's going to give you 1 plus pi over 3 divided by root 3, okay? Then multiplied by, now when you subtract that, it's going to give you root 3 minus 1 over root 3, then you now multiply, then you now cross over, like you now swap it. So it's going to give you multiplied by root 3 over root 3 minus 1. And when you open the bracket for this, you open this individually. Oh, sorry for that. So you open in this multiplied by that will give you root 3. This multiplied by this will give you 3. Does that make sense? Then you also do the same thing. This is going to give you root 3, and that will give you 3, because root 3 times root 3 will give you root 9, and root 9 is going to give you 3. Is that okay? So you apply the same principle. Okay, so we can then open the bracket so to be easy to understand. So root 3 times 1 will give you root 3. Root 3 times this will give you root 9. That will give you 3. Okay, so we can put this in red so that we know that's for expansion. So that will give you root 3. Then the same thing. Root 3 times this will give you 3 minus root 3. Okay, you can stop it here, or you can do conjugate, where you have to then multiply both sides by the denominator. All right. So if you are meant to, because you can't leave your answer with salt, so with salt at the denominator. So we then multiply by 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus what? So root 3. Okay, so if we can go up here to finish it up. So it's going to give you, so you open the bracket, 3 times root 3 times 3 will give you 3 root 3 Root 3 times this will give you 3. 3 times 3 will give you what? 9. And 3 times this will give you plus 3 root 3 divided by, this will give you 9 plus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Then minus root 3 times this is going to give you minus 3. So that will give you, so just again, 3 times 3 will give you 9. 3 times root 3 will give you 3 root 3. Minus root 3 times 3 will give you minus 3 root 3. And minus 3 times minus root 3 times root 3 will give you minus 3. So when you're done with that, this will cancel this out. Okay. So, and this will give you 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 will give you 6 root 3 plus 12 divided by 9 minus 3 will give you what? 6. Okay. You can still break this down. It will be 6 root 3 over 6 plus 12 over what? 6. And that will give you root 3 plus 2. That will be the answer for that. All right. So that's how you solve question. It's the same thing, same principle, just that you need to know the formula and how to apply it. So maybe you could try this question here as an assignment. So try tan 2 pi over 3 plus pi over what? 4, right? Give me the exact values for this, okay? So for this one, I want the exact value. Is that okay? So try it yourself, and you can put your answer in the comment section. Or if you are confused, then send me an email, and I will get back to you. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. So the next one, I'm going to go straight to double angles. So we're done with the first section, which is the sum and differences of angles. I'll go to the second type now, which is going to be the double angles. Okay. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. So when I upload new videos, you'll get to know about it. Thank you very much.